Hey everyone, welcome back to Action Time. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our new reviews, previews, or tech news. Today, we're going to talk about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, one of the most anticipated drones of 2024. There's a lot of buzz around this one, so let's dive into what we might expect. First off, let's talk camera upgrades. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature a larger sensor, possibly a 1-inch sensor, which would give us better image quality, especially in low-light conditions. This could mean even sharper videos. We're talking 4K at 60 frames per second, or maybe even 5.4K resolution for those super detailed shots. That's definitely something to look forward to if you love high-quality visuals. Now, on to flight time. The Mini 4 Pro gives us around 34 minutes of flight on a full charge, which is already great, but the Mini 5 Pro could take that even further. We're expecting up to 40 minutes in the air, which means more time to get those perfect shots without worrying about swapping batteries all the time. Another key area is obstacle avoidance. The Mini 5 Pro could come with an improved omnidirectional obstacle sensing system, making it even safer to fly in tricky environments. Better AI-powered object recognition could help you avoid obstacles like trees or buildings with more precision, making this drone smarter and more reliable. We also expect upgrades to intelligent flight modes. The Mini series is known for features like Active Track and Quick Shots, but the Mini 5 Pro might take it to the next level with more responsive tracking and even AI-assisted cinematic modes. Imagine being able to create smooth, professional-level shots with just a tap of your finger. And of course, DJI will likely keep the Mini 5 Pro lightweight under 250 grams, just like its predecessors. This makes it perfect for casual users and travelers who don't want the hassle of registering their drone in many countries. Now, let's talk price. The Mini 4 Pro launched at around $799, so we can expect the Mini 5 Pro to be in the same range, maybe around $849 to $899, depending on the features. For a drone packed with all these pro-level upgrades, that's still a pretty solid deal. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changer, with major improvements in camera quality, flight time, obstacle avoidance, and intelligent modes. We can't wait to see what DJI has in store for us. What do you think? Are you excited about the Mini 5 Pro? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to Action Time for more tech reviews, drone news, and hands-on content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.